What's up guys? Samsung's Galaxy Note 10 series is scheduled for a reveal on August 7, but the company is already allowing consumers to reserve the phone. Samsung is taking reservation for the phablet via its website, and it's promising that users can save up to $600 by trading in their existing phone. These trade-ins are limited to Apple, Google and Samsung phones though. So people with a phone from Huawei, LG, Motorola or any other brand are apparently out of luck. The $600 savings applies to all Samsung flagships from the Galaxy Note 10 onwards, Galaxy S10, S10 Plus, S10e or Note 9. All Apple handsets going back to the iPhone X, iPhone XR, XS and the XS Max and the Google Pixel 3 series. Google will accept devices going back to the Galaxy S7 series, $200 trade-in value, iPhone 6s Duo $250 and first generation Google Pixel series $200. Your trade-in value will also likely vary depending on the condition of the phone and other facts. Samsung also promising an instant $50 credit to be used on Samsung.com in case you want to kit out your new device with accessories. Furthermore, the company is saying signing up to reserve your Galaxy Note 10 series device also grants you early access to storage and color options. And yeah guys, if you plan on pre-ordering the device in the United States, then head on over to the reservation page that Samsung has set up. You are asked basic details to reserve your unit, including a name, email address and zip code. And if anyone interested in trading in smartphones should be aware of the following details. $50 instant credit towards eligible device and accessories on Samsung.com, as I said before, if you trade in a device between 25 July 2019 to 7 August 2019 at 11:59 p.m. EST. Number 2, you can reserve the Galaxy Note 10 on Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, Sprint, US Cellular or get it unlocked through Samsung. And yeah guys, keen on Samsung's latest flagship phones? The link of the reservation page is given in the description box below. Go and hit the button and reserve your device if you live in the USA. And yeah guys, go and check out my last video on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus. And yeah, that's it for today. Now what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And yeah, smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more latest news. And as always, I will catch you tomorrow in the next one. Peace out.